So in this video, we are going to take a look at how you can add notes to the StudySocius platform. And for you to be able to do that, you first need to be logged in or signed in. And this time, if you have been following along in the series, you will notice that I'm using a different account. So in the past video tutorials, we've used Goldwyn Harper, who is a first-year pharmacy student, and we've been tracking how he's been using StudySocius. Now in this example, I'm going to use a different account, and I want to illustrate how you can use the notes. And in this account, I already have some notes populated. So by the way, when you're in the dashboard, once again, to orient you, you can see a snapshot of all your assignments, study goals, tasks, to-do lists, and even events. And as you scroll down, you have a snapshot of your assignments, your study goals, and at the bottom here, you have your notes. It shows a select number, sometimes 4, sometimes 5. And there are two ways you can add a note. The first one will be to click on this button right here, or you could also do it from the main menu under the My Desk option. Just click on Notes, and it will take you through the process that you need to follow in order to create a note. So let's try it from the dashboard. Click on New Note. And so we're going to give it a title. This time we're going to save a note about advantages of capsules. Maybe the professor says something very insightful in class and you want to capture that. So you already captured it and you want to archive it in your notes so that anytime you can easily access it. So once you are brought to this interface, there are a number of ways you can actually add a note. If what you're doing benefits from using AI, maybe there's something you were studying and you want to just have an additional insight or perspective using artificial intelligence, you can simply click on this button which says Ask AI to Write. But in this instance, I'm just going to put in the information. So we really want to make an important note about the advantages of capsules. Now, the good thing about this interface is it can also add some formatting. So we want to bold, we want to underline the heading, and then also we want to make this bold. And this is just for aesthetics and ease of use. And in here, these are bullets. So let's make all of this bullet points. So these were 3 important things that the professor talked about in the Dosage Forms class about the advantages of capsules. So now that we have this, we can click on Save, and we now have it archived in the notes. So whilst we are still here, let me talk about this. You have an option to download this note. So you can download as a PDF or as a Word document. So if you were actually using word processing document to keep all your notes, you can simply open that up and it would allow you to add additional information to it. But at this point, for illustrative purposes, I'm going to download it as a PDF. So let's click on Download PDF. So it downloaded, and if you click on the document, you'll see it right here. So really nice, so you already have something that you can add to your learning arsenal or repository and come back to it. So it's a very nice way to capture the information. Now, the other thing you could do is you can actually share it. So if you click on this and click on Open, it's going to open it. So you can simply also copy this link and then you can share it with your study buddies or just have it in your email so they can quickly click on it to access it anywhere on your electronic devices. So that's a beautiful option that you have when it comes to the notes. Now, once you've done this and it's already saved, if you go to the dashboard, you will notice that if you scroll down, so normally on the dashboard, you see just 4 notes. If you want to see all the notes you have, you want to actually go to the Notes tab here, click on Notes. And once you click on Notes, you will see these 4 which are highlighted on the dashboard, but then there are more there. And that's why I wanted to use this account. I have a few more notes here, and you can see how it is laid out. So in right here, we just looked at how you could download when you are in the Notes interface. But from your overview right here in the Notes section, you can simply click on these 3 dots and you can open, share, do the PDF or the Word. So if you wanted to share it right from your dashboard, you can simply click on it, go to share, and if you click on open, it will show you what you have. And also you could once again copy the URL and you can email this to yourself or find a different place to send it. And you can always have access to this. This will be online until you delete it. Right, so now let's go back and let's see how that works if you wanted to do the PDF from here. So directly you could do PDF and you have your capsule dosage forms. Click on that and there you have it. Right, so it's a really, really good tool to use, and there are so many ways you can capture. You can capture the notes that you actually are important in your course that you actually study, or just notes to yourself, notes that you don't want to forget about. So once again, if you go to the dashboard, you should see the overview here. And so that's how you add the notes to the StudySocius platform. And in the next video, I'm just going to show how you can use the flashcards option.